one of my current heroes, Mendel Lefin, he was from Ukraine. He was very important because he went from Ukraine to Berlin in about 1781. And he studied, he was already 30. Apparently he suffered from an eye ailment, but he got to know Moses Mendelssohn and other of the great enlighteners of Berlin, and he published in their journal, Hamasif. And then he went back to Ukraine. So he had part of the ideology of the Berlin Haskalah, but he also didn't lose touch with the masses of Jews of Ukraine and Yiddish speakers. Of course, the Berlin writers wanted nothing to do with Yiddish for the most part. Lefin was an exception. So he did for Yiddish-speaking Jews what the German enlighteners were trying to do for German Jews. Get them, but the difference is, Mendelssohn and his followers tried to get the Jews to forget Yiddish and just speak German like everybody. Lefin thought it was fine for them to go on speaking Yiddish. After all, they were in Ukraine. The assimilation language would have been Russian or Ukrainian, but he didn't foster that. He wanted them to develop the culture in Yiddish and Hebrew. So Mendel Lefin wrote several very important books, first in Hebrew and then translations into Yiddish. So, but from German, some of them. That's the thing. He translated Hebrew to Yiddish and German to Yiddish. And that's a whole strand that I've been working on too, to show how translation played a role. Because neither Hebrew nor Yiddish had a modern literature in 1815. But it got it partly through translation.